Good morning, guys. Day 19 from the Camino de Santiago.
Yeah, so we just left a little town called Ledigos this morning, and we are headed... I don't even know.
Good morning. So pretty busy on the Camino here this morning, so we want to get some kilometers behind us, so let's get going.
Yep.
Buen Camino.
So we are standing just outside the town of Sahagún, and right here behind us you can see what is considered the official halfway point of the Camino de Santiago. Once we get into town, we are going to go visit one of the churches or monasteries, I can't remember which, but they offer a Compostela that shows that you have completed the Camino de Santiago to the halfway point. So we're going to go into town and see if we can find that.